Good morning, everyone. We're pleased to formally introduce the upcoming IPO of Anthem Biosciences Limited, the largest IPO in the CRDMO space, and we at JM Financial are proud to be acting as the left-leading book-running manager. Anthem Biosciences has emerged as one of India's leading contract research, development and manufacturing organizations, operating at the intersection of innovation, regulatory excellence and scalable manufacturing. What sets Anthem apart is its ability to offer comprehensive solutions across the entire drug development life cycle, from early discovery to commercial manufacturing across both small molecules and biologics. This integrated offering is rare even globally. It's not just the breadth of capabilities but also the quality of execution that stands out. Whether it's being an early mover in ADC linker development or introducing green chemistry platforms like biotransformation and flow chemistry, Anthem has consistently stayed ahead of the curve. And we believe Anthem Biosciences is well positioned to capture the next wave of growth in outsourced pharmaceutical services. On the financial side, the company has delivered industry-leading performance. It recorded the highest revenue growth over last year among Indian and global CRDMO peers. Its EBITDA and PAT margins are among the best in the industry, and its return ratios and capital efficiency metrics are unmatched in the Indian context. These numbers speak to the strength of the platform. Allow me to briefly share the key details of this offering. The IPO size is INR 3,395 crores, comprised entirely of an offer for sale. The price band is INR 540 to 570 per share. The issue opens on Monday, July 14, 2025 and closes on Wednesday, July 16, 2025. And the shares are expected to be listed on both BSE and NSE on or around July 21st. We would like to express our heartfelt appreciation to the promoters and the entire management team of Anthem Biosciences. Their entrepreneurial vision, scientific commitment, and operational leadership have laid the foundation for Anthem's growth into a global CRDMO powerhouse. This IPO reflects years of dedication and discipline, backed by an experienced management team and marquee investor True North that has scaled innovation while maintaining high regulatory and quality standards. At JM Financial, we're privileged to work with companies that are not just delivering strong growth, but also helping define India's future in the global pharmaceutical and biotech value chain. Anthem is one such company, and we believe this IPO will find strong resonance with long-term institutional investors and will set the tone for the next phase of value creation.